2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's go.
Decided to go ahead and do a live video so that we can make sure everyone knows that today is our grand opening celebration at the Yelm location. We are here getting ready for a ribbon cutting with the Yelm Chamber of Commerce at 11 a.m. Has some drawings. We have a barbecue, a bouncy house. We're just ready for y'all to come celebrate with us. Hi, come on down. Just look, walk around and see what's happening. You want to say hi? Do you want to say hi? That's my kid. Come say hi to Zach. Are you barbecuing?
Come here shortly.
What are you cooking?
Everybody's favorite, quarter-pound hot dogs.
Nice. Oh, they're putting up another bouncy house. How many Graham Auto Repair people does it take to put up a bouncy house? I guess we'll find out. This yours, Tyler? Yeah. It's giant.
My kids love this.
You know how to pull through. Well, we're looking forward to seeing everyone and celebrating with you today. Come down. We'll be here from 11 a.m. till 2.
Hello friends, welcome. It's me, Lynn. I'm here with our friend Lacey. We're doing a ribbon cutting here at Graham Auto Repair in just a few minutes. We are so excited for this. Are you excited?
I'm excited.
Super excited. They've got so many amazing things here today. There's bounce houses, the barbecue is up and running, the sun is shining. That was all Lacey.
Oh, that was me.
All Lacey.
I ordered it.
A ton of raffle prizes. It's going to be such a beautiful day. Welcome them to our beautiful community. We're going to snip the big old ribbon. It's right here.
Okay, Graham Auto Repair people this way. If you're wearing a Graham Auto Repair shirt, Amber, that's you.
We're going to do a pocket shot where everybody's going to look right at me and smile. The scissors wide open. So we have one beautiful picture for everyone.
We don't know. We'll mess it up. I'm sure. And then we'll hopefully have lots of ribbons.
Lacey,
Yes?
you're on the wrong side of the
I know.
Record a video with my phone.
Okay, right there.
Anybody need a haircut?
Don't give her a haircut! Don't give her a haircut!
Here, can you turn around?
Don't do that! You're gonna cut her head in half.
All right. We're so excited to join the Yelm community, and thanks to our team members from Graham and Yelm here. Thank you very much for putting this together.
And Troy, we want to welcome you on behalf of the Yelm Chamber of Commerce. Thank you for this beautiful building, this upgrade. We've been watching it go up, and I'm like, that's looking pretty good. So thank you for making Yelm look good. We want you to have a successful business here, man.
All right.
We're going to do our practice one. So open up those scissors. And everybody look at me. Everyone look right into the sunshine. And smile. And snip it.
Snip it.
Snip it. Go! It's going up!
Oh, the party went on!
I think didn't we get this trophy? Those are some large
Ooh, nice. Woo!
Say hi, Lacey!
Look, 2 little people. I love that smile.
Who would like to talk?
Tyler,
We're going to do the drawing.
are you good on talking?
Hello, everybody. I was awkwardly handed this megaphone raffle. This Napa wash bucket. It's like a complete car wash care system. So gather around, because I don't know how loud this is. I have Alex D. Are you here? Oh, perfect. Look at that. Starbucks little gift bag. Looks like we got a cup and a bag of coffee in here. Tyler D. Next, we got a gift certificate for a free premium oil service with our, I believe it's a 48-point digital inspection. Let's get it.
Okay.
I got Wayne H.
All right. Everybody ready for the next drawing?
Sure. You want to tell everyone what they're going to win?
They're going to win the 507. You won.
You're on a winning streak.
Next one's the O'Reilly wash bucket.
Does it come with a car washer? Huh? Does it come with somebody to wash the car?
Yes, you.
Not me.
No, it doesn't come with the
With you?
service. Steven,
This is for...
Graham Auto Repair, sunglasses, gift bag, and a t-shirt. Mike,
Oh?
another drawing at 1 o'clock.
All right, I guess we're going to be doing another drawing.
I think it needs to be turned up a bit.
It is up all the way.
Maybe talk closer to it.
Talk closer to us. Is that better? All right, we're going to do another drawing today.
Now it's louder.
He was telling me it wasn't working very much, and so I guess this is better.
Can everybody hear?
I don't know. All right, it's going to be another wash kit. This is from AutoZone. Drum roll and Rebecca Ray.
Oh, I will use this.
We're going to do another gift certificate for a free premium oil service. John Deere from Starbucks. Karen Wilson. No.
Fran? Fran Wilson?
Oh,
Okay, I know.
Fran Wilson. And another from 507 Tap Room. Stephanie. Do another Graham Auto Repair t-shirt. And Daniel Bond. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we are about to do another drawing for our last wash kit. And the winner is John Hammond. Congratulations, John.
You might not want to stand next to Bryce, he's loud.
And our next drawing is going to be for one free premium oil service with digital vehicle health inspection, a Graham Auto t-shirt, and a water bottle. Sharon Spencer!
Congratulations, Sharon. I won't use the microphone today.
So this one will be for another free premium oil service with the digital vehicle health inspection and a 75th anniversary commemorative die-cast replica of a 39 Ford in Love. Joseph Richardson, I think, if I read that right. Joseph Richardson. Congratulations, Joseph. We will hold the last drawing at 2 o'clock. Stay tuned.
Okay, we have a gift certificate. You want to do that one first? Sure. Zach Wise. Now we got an O'Reilly's battery charger. Betty Ann. Oh, Betty Ann. And last one, complete play system. Shirley Keene. No, Shirley Keene. We should have you do it.
No.
Okay, that's it. Those are all the drawings. Thank you. Good job, Tyler. Teamwork. Say that again.
Lay down. There. Do the rolling. Do the roll.
You gotta start on that side. Don't worry, I'm supervising. Oh, what? How many does it take? Nice.
There you go.
Sean, you gonna help us out?
Yeah.
Oh.
Sounded like it hurt.
There you go.
Thank you, everyone, for coming out and celebrating with us today.
Thank you. It was
Thank
fun.
you. Thanks. Woo. We look forward to serving you.